fan of the TV food competition show, Hell's Kitchen. Sorry, I just hip-checked you.
You did. I love it.
You know our first guest who was named the season 18 winner and was awarded an executive chef position at the Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen restaurant at Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas, and she got paid a lot of money.
Yes, but guess what? She turned down the job, kept the money, and since written a book called Spice Kitchen, Healthy Latinx and Caribbean Cuisines. What? Did you?
She kept the money but turned down the job?
Yeah, she's real to herself. Now she's vice president of culinary for Del Friscos, the only place I'll pay for a steak, let me tell you, right now. It's the only place. There's just, look how gorgeous that picture is.
She's very
pretty. Please welcome Chef Ariel Fox. Yay.
Contreras-Fox or just Fox?
Just Fox
just
is my professional name.
Good friend of the show, good friend of ours, and one of my favorite chefs ever.
I remember that when you profiled her, was it during the pandemic?
Yes, I think so.
And you were doing
before, maybe
you were doing
before.
Steaks.
Yeah,
we did steaks, and then we ambushed a viewer recently.
Yes, we did.
And we made her
We
breakfast.
should do that again.
It was the best. What are we doing today?
Okay, so we have so much going on at Del Frisco's going into the summer season. I know this weekend weather is not really depicting that, but we're ready to launch the summer season.
Love it.
We have a secret salad that's not on the menu. It's a watermelon and heirloom tomato salad. And then we have a lovely Roman holiday cocktail.
Wonderful.
So, we'll get started.
Multitask.
Please. Yes, we're going to multitask.
You delegate. Bless you, Bobby.
Do you want to help me make this dressing?
Yes, she does.
Come on, don't be ridiculous.
So this is called magic dressing. It's got a lot of herbs. We're going to just throw it all in the blender. A little bit of parsley. We're going to do a little bit of cilantro here. Don't worry about the stems for this. This is the easy peasy kind. Yep. We're going to grab a handful of mint here. So we have mint, cilantro, and parsley into the blender. And then we are going to just go ahead and add some capers.
Capers.
We have a little bit of honey.
Honey?
Yes, honey. So that's going to go, if we can get it out of the bowl, you know, honey's
and you're a
always...
big believer, fresh herbs is the way to go. You got to go fresh herbs.
Fresh herbs, 100%.
I asked her if this pot was hers, and she said yes. When you buy them de-stemmed at the grocery store, they go bad.
I never buy pre-cut basil. It just goes bad in your fridge. Nice. Always buy a plant. A little bit of sambal for a little bit of heat.
What's that?
It's a chili garlic sauce. Garlic clove, because we love garlic, right?
Okay.
And we're going to do some olive oil, extra virgin in there.
This is going to be
This is the easiest dressing on the planet. We're going to
just muddling it with our hands.
Squeeze some lime in there, a little bit of lime.
Okay.
And then a pinch of salt. And we're going to blend it right up.
What kind of salt is that?
This is a fleur de sal, but any sea salt will do. I love sea salt. Right into the blender there. And if you want to give it a quick pulse, basically, we're going to... or not, because, you know...
Sometimes you have to, like...
You need to clap twice.
Sometimes you have to...
Welcome. It's a clap on blender.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, it works so great.
It works. You can turn that off, because you know what? I came prepared, and I made you a beautiful bottle right here, everyone.
Thank you so much.
I was wondering what
So
that
this
was.
salad is super fresh,
We could just consider this the salad.
This is the salad. So we're going to start with a little bit of
arugula?
cubed watermelon.
Nice. Okay.
Okay. We're going to put some heirloom tomatoes in there.
Now, what is an heirloom tomato?
Yeah.
So
what makes it different than...
Just like heirloom pork or heirloom cows, it's basically a breed of tomato that has been from the original seed, just like we do with meat. It's the original seed strain of these types of tomatoes. We have beautiful colors. We have brandy wines. They have funny names, too.
That's beautiful.
So
love that.
Tomato season is going to go right in the bowl.
Yeah.
And then I love... This is grilled halloumi. It's
grilled
similar
it
to a feta, but the grilling just gets all of that good flavor in there.
Do you do grilled halloumi?
All the time. I bathe in it. No, I love it.
I love grilled halloumi.
And then this is not in our salad at the restaurant, but I just think it's fun to add a little bit of strawberry in this salad.
The strawberry season. Let's do it.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some mint right in there. And then we're going to take another squeeze of fresh lime juice.
We have 2 minutes. Should I start the drink?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, you want to do multitask?
Let's multitask. Okay. All right, you need your little jigger over there in the front.
You can go help him and I'll zhuzh.
Zhuzh.
You want me to zhuzh and then arugula?
We're going to add some dressing and then arugula.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Yep.
I got you. You want to do it? Let's do it. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a real simple cocktail. We're going to put some ice in the shaker tin here. Okay. This is called the Roman holiday.
Okay.
While you're Roman holidaying, are these
1 ounce.
recipes in the book?
They are not. These are my off-book recipes at Del Frisco's. We're off-book here.
Memorized it.
We have 1 ounce of gin, a citrus-based gin.
Nice.
We're going to do a ½ ounce of Aperol.
By the way, her book is bonkers. We have it at our house. I love this. This cookbook right here is fantastic.
Well, save that one
We're
for
going
me,
to do
please.
a ½ ounce of strawberry syrup here.
She hates promoting it, though. She never.
I see that.
She always
She did
forgets
not
to
wanna
bring
talk
it every
about
time we're on
that.
television.
We're gonna do about a ½ ounce of lemon juice here.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go ahead and shake that up. So
Yes, that and that.
Are you comfortable with this?
I'm not comfortable
You
with
got
anything.
this. Shake
Chef,
it up.
arugula on top.
Arugula in and toss it up and right on the plate.
This smells
Okay.
amazing.
All right.
Or it's me. No, it's me.
So
If
what
not
I
you.
love about this cocktail, super fresh. We're gonna garnish it with mint and a dried lemon wheel. It gives it a nice extra little zest in there. So you're gonna go ahead and pour that right. Oh, let's strain it.
strain it,
Yeah,
sorry.
there you go. You're gonna
Thank
pour
you.
that right
So
in
good.
there. I
Like
love
this?
how you always love to
Like
do
this?
Yes.
Or like
You're doing
this?
a good job over there.
Do you think so?
I do.
And then my
gosh.
favorite part is we are gonna top it off with a little bit of sparkling wine right
Ooh,
over
yeah.
the top
Oh,
of this
jeez.
cocktail.
Yeah. Pop.
Yes,
Top it off,
pop.
taste and wrap.
We're gonna top it off, and it tastes just like an Otter Pop in the summer for you.
My
so
gosh,
there we
you
go.
are a goddess.
Look at that.
this.
Summer
Look at
in a
this, huh?
glass.
Come on.
With your
My
beautiful.
plating
on.
skills are not fabulous.
You did
but
great.
I got it done.
And here, let's finish this off with a beautiful little bit of balsamic glaze on
Come
the
on.
You're such a stallion right here.
plate. This
at
is
this.
summer on a plate, summer in a glass.
Thank you, Chef. Pick up a copy.
There's the book right here.
There it is.
Chef Ariel
Spice
Fox.
Kitchen.
Yep, right, yep, there it
Healthy
is.
Latin and Caribbean cuisine. Get them wherever your books are sold.
Oh, yeah, there it is. We have a full screen. Look at that.
Yeah.
You're the greatest, seriously. Look at this,
you.
amazing.
Cheers.
You're such a
All
stud.
right.